Which of the following expressions is equivalent to 3? All right, so I have a bunch of them. So let me remind myself that log base b of y equals x can be written as b to the x equals y. So although this is an unnecessary step, okay, this is log, this is log, this is log, this is log, I like to set all of these equal to x and then rewrite them. Might be doing too much here, but this is just what I like to do because it helps my brain navigate these. So you are a base, you are my y, and you're my x. So 5 to the x equals 15. That's how I can write you out. You're an invisible 10. So 10 to the x equals 3,000. 8 to the x equals 2. And 4 to the x equals 64. One of these guys has to be 3, so x is 3. 5 to the third is 15? Nope, 5 to the third is like 100 something. X to the third is 3,000? Nope. 10 to the third rather. 10 to the third is 3,000? Nope. 10 to the third is 1,000. 8 to the third is 64. No, it's not. It's like no. But 4 to the third is 64. Ugh. Well, I botched that up with my words. But you know what? I still got the end result. 4 to the third is 64. That's my guy right there.